In case you were wondering what exactly Cricut Direct-to-Film is, I tested it so I can tell you all about it. DTF stands for Direct to Film, and it's a technique of printing full-color detailed designs that can be applied to fabrics with a heat press. The process itself is not new, it's just new to Cricut. So who is this for? Well, if you've ever tried to create a multicolor design that requires layering or precise placement, this takes away the frustration that can come with that process. The printed designs are all on one layer. It also means you don't need your own printer and there is no weeding involved. And DTF designs can be applied on light and dark fabrics. Now, to create a DTF design, we are going to use the DTF transfer design flow in Design Space. We'll choose the size of our transfer based on the size of the blank we want to put it on. Now, Cricut has recommended sizes based on different t-shirt sizes, so if you're not putting it on a t-shirt, just measure the area you want your transfer on. The smallest size available is 4x4 and goes up to 11.4 inches. For my project, I chose 8.5 by 8.5 inches because it'll fit completely under my heat press. Now, there are guides every step of the way, and once we click Start Designing, we'll get this pop-up with a detailed guide on the DTF transfer process. It can also be accessed on the top left if you need it at any point. Now, I'm using an image from Creative Fabrica, which gives me rights to personal and commercial use. You can use Cricut Access Designs, but not licensed images. The upload process is the same as you would follow for a print and cut design, and you'll want to save your image as a flat graphic. Then once we're happy with the design placement within the area that's allowed, we can preview it and use the color box to see the final look on different color fabrics. And once we are all set, we'll click Add to Cart and we can check out on the Cricut website. It is that simple, no cutting, no weeding. The turnaround was really quick for me. I ordered on a Thursday and received my package on Monday, and there is a pressing sheet included in the package with the transfer as well as instructions. So let's apply the transfer. I'm applying mine to a simple black tote bag I got from the craft store, and I'm going to put my pressing mat inside the bag so the heat is distributed evenly. I used the Cricut heat guide to get my press time and temperature settings, and before I press, I'm going to lint roll to remove any dust and preheat the bag before adding my design. Now, applying the transfer works just like the printable iron-on in that it's going to stay color side up. I'll add the pressing sheet that came with the transfer and press with firm, consistent pressure. I let the liner cool completely before peeling it, and I pressed it once more with just the pressing sheet for good measure. And this step also gets rid of a slight sheen from the first press. Now, my honest opinion is I am pleasantly surprised with the results of the DTF transfer. I did not expect to like it so much, and it's perfect if you love heat press projects but hate the vinyl part, or if you just love vibrant, intricate designs and don't want to deal with sublimation blanks or having to use a printer. So let me know if you've tried DTF transfers or if you're still loving HTV or iron-on. And if you're brand new to iron-on projects, check out the video on screen next.